All right, Rankin family. So we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Toll Brothers property. This is going to be the Hardy floor plan. This one's going to, it's going to essentially be a farmhouse type deal. Absolutely beautiful. I know a lot of y'all love the farmhouse look. I know a lot of you absolutely love Toll Brothers. So I'll make sure to give you an inside scoop of this beautiful property. So now this one's going to be on a 60-foot lot. As you can see, you got the beautiful chandelier coming down with the curved staircase. Absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the front of the property, the first bedroom right here. So as you see, you got your 12-foot ceilings right here. You have beautiful space in here. You have plenty of space, rather. You have your clear story windows plus your LED lights on top. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, if you do like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe below. I'm bringing tours just like this every single week for the Rankin family. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, you have the beautiful lighting fixtures. Look at this backsplash. You got your tile backsplash with your shower niche right there. Black shower heads plus your faucet knobs. Gorgeous. And then you have a nice size walk-in closet. So this will be great, again, for, guests coming over. If some of the families coming over and they just kind of want their own little privacy, this will be the perfect room for them right here. And I absolutely love the higher ceilings, and especially even in the rooms, because sometimes you may see some builders, they have high ceilings in maybe the living room or the foyer, but they don't extend into the room. So it's good. Toll Brothers does a great job of doing that. And this will be your formal dining room right here. You can use this as a study as well, if this is something that you want to convert into a study, but this will be a nice formal dining for you. Beautiful lighting fixture right there. Plenty of space. Kind of secludes it in here, so that way if you're having Thanksgiving dinner or just celebrating on occasions, that'll be perfect for you. Look at this wall right here. Nice size wall. And then this will be your powder bath right here. Absolutely beautiful. The lighting fixtures continue in here as well. You got your 5-inch baseboards all along the property. And look how beautiful this is. Got your exposed wooden beams up top. LED lighting continues in there. Electric, beautiful fireplace, oversized fireplace. You got your built-in shelving area right there. Clear story windows right there as well. And then look how beautiful this kitchen is. Absolutely gorgeous. So you have your engineered wood that continues in here. Look at, you got your wooden range hood right there. You got your stainless steel stovetop. It wouldn't be right without having a farmhouse sink, as it is the farmhouse exterior. And then you got your stainless steel double oven right there. You got your beautiful cabinetry that complements the flooring as well. And then even right here, I love how they have the exposed beams up there continuing into here. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you imagine right here just taking, the day off? You got some breakfast cooking, you got eggs, bacon, waffles, and then you get to see all the natural sunlight coming in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think about it. And then right here, we'll see our pantry. So the good thing is you got your glass window in here going in, or your glass door rather, going into your pantry. Got your nice size mud room right here. And then of course, this will be your laundry room. So you have plenty of storage space, plenty of space in here for an oversized washer and dryer. And of course, the garage is the sales office. So this essentially would be the garage. You go straight into the mudroom and you come straight into your beautiful living room. All right, let's go take a look at the primary. Absolutely gorgeous. So you got your accent wall right there. As you can see, you have your king size bed with your 2 nightstands, and you still have plenty of space in here. Look, as I pan through right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think about this beautiful chandelier. This is definitely unique. I haven't even seen any of those or anything close to that in any of the model homes. So absolutely beautiful. And then now this will be your primary bathroom. You got your oversized deep soaking tub, his and her sink. The lighting fixtures continues in here as well. And then you got your oversized standing shower right there, toilets right there to the left. And then you have a nice vanity area to do makeup or get ready. And then look how beautiful this primary bathroom closet is. So of course, this is your ensuite right here. You have plenty of storage space. You have plenty of room. You can put a nice size mirror right here. That way you can see yourself, your full body mirror. And then this will be great for extra storage space right here if you want to put your luggage and things like that. So of course you got your tile flooring in here. And then the good thing is the engineered wood continues in the primary bedroom. So absolutely gorgeous. And then as you see, we can pan right here. Stunning, stunning property. And then what we'll do is we'll take a look upstairs so that way you can see. Can you imagine even right here, your Christmas tree, especially coming up? We're about to hit December, so this will be a perfect place to put your Christmas tree. And then this will be entering into your game room. Nice size game room. And then, of course, you can overlook the foyer right here. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely massive. You have plenty of space in here. You could take the ping pong table out and maybe put some couches for, just hanging out if you don't want to be in the media room, but you still want to have, enough light and stuff like that just to keep it vibrant. That'd be perfect for you. And look how beautiful this cozy media room is. You can't tell me this isn't cozy. This is absolutely magnificent. You got your accent wall right there as well. You got the glass blowout lighting fixtures. Of course, you can have some theater-like lighting fixtures that you can add in here as well. I know a lot of folks that I work with, they love the theater-like lighting fixtures. So that may be something you can add. And then we'll go this way, down the hall. And this will be your third bedroom. You got plenty of space in here. They have that queen size bed in here with the 2 nightstands and the dresser and a chair right here for added decorations. And you still have plenty of walk room. Fantastic. And then now this one will have the bathroom that's attached to it. You got your black shower head with the tile backsplash. You got your shower niche again right there. Absolutely gorgeous with the wooden mirror framing right there. Yeah, you have plenty of space. And then this will be a nice size walk-in closet. As you can see, you even got your chair in here. You got your window. And you still have plenty of space. And I know a lot of clients that I work with too, they love Toll Brothers because they add the windows inside of the closet. Same deal right here. So you have the 2 rooms very close to one another. Plenty of space in here. And yeah, like I said, Toll Brothers, they are definitely one of my most recommended or requested home tours because people just love the attention to details that Toll Brothers emphasize on, which is absolutely fantastic. And then this will be, of course, your closet. Nice size closet in there as well with the glass frame door. Absolutely fantastic. So you got your total of 4 bedrooms. I know a lot of the folks that I work with as well, they love when 2 bedrooms are downstairs. So you got 2 downstairs, 2 up, the primary closer to the great room. And then what we'll do now is we'll head to the backyard. Well, actually, since the alarm will be sounded, I'll show you through the window. You'll still be able to see everything. So you got your nice cover deal right there, built-in grill right there. You got a nice size pool. And here, we'll go around this way. That way you can see. And then even right there, nice size covered backyard patio. Got your tile flooring out there with the pool. Gives it a nice aesthetic. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Toll Brothers. All right, Rankin family. So that was the Toll Brothers right here in Houston, Texas. Let me know, did you like it? Did you dislike it? What were some things you would change? And of course, if you do want some more information, link in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next tour.